Here is gulab jamun and I have received one matka lassi. The jamun size is quite big and I want to have it in one bite. So let me try having this in one bite. Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Today I've dropped down to Kalyan Nagar. So the cafe name is Srivatsa Cafe. So this is a brand new cafe. If you are traveling towards KRpuram, this comes in right side, towards right side. And if you are traveling towards Hebbal, this comes in left side. So this is in Kalyan Nagar Service Road. So the place is quite soothing because there is lot of trees in and around this cafe. After a long time, again I'm in mask in front of few people, especially in video, or else I have to use regularly mask. There are some restrictions in Bangalore which is running up. Everyone might be knowing about it, and there is lot of fines running also in Bangalore if people are not wearing mask. At least for that reason we need to wear mask. So now let's go inside and check out what is so special of this Srivatsa Cafe. So here is Manjunath. He is the proprietor of this Srivatsa Cafe. So Manjunath, ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳಾಯ್ತು ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ?
ಸರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ 1 ಮಂತ್ ಆಯಿತು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಡಿಶ್ಶು.
ಓಕೆ.
NCR ಒಂದು ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಡಿಶ್ಶು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೌತಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಡಿಶ್ಶು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ.
ನಾರ್ತಿಂದ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಡಿಶ್. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ನಾರ್ತಿಂದ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಡಿಶ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೋಲೆ ಭಟೂರೆ ಇದೆ. ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಪಂಜಾಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೋಲೆ ಭಟೂರೆ ಫೇಮಸ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸೌತ್ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೀ ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಗೀ ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಗೀ ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದು ಮುಳ್ಬಾಗ್ಲು ಸ್ಟೈಲ್.
ರೈಟ್.
ಸೊ ಮತ್ತು ನಾರ್ತಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗ್ರಾ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಚಾಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆಗ್ರಾ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಸೊ ಆಗ್ರಾ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
ರೈಟ್.
ಸೊ ಅದು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಗಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ರೈಟ್.
ಸೊ ಅದಾದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಾಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ರಾ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಚಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ದಹಿ ಪಪ್ಡಿ ಚಾಟ್, ದಹಿ ವಡ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ರಾಗ ಗೋಲ್ಗಪ್ಪ ಪಾನಿ, ಸಮೋಸಾ ಚಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕರೀಲಾ ಚಾಟ್. ಸೊ
ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮೆನು ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ, ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಮೆನು.
ಒಂಥರ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಬೈಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲೈಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಷ್ಟು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರೋದು.
ರೈಟ್.
ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಬೈಟ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೌತ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮೀಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು ಲೋ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ.
It's almost 4:30, so I wish to try some good food over here because I didn't even have my lunch. So hungry, very much hungry, not slight hunger, because the sun is completely pulling out my energy. Here is chole bhatura, hot chole as well as bhatura is also hot. This is something like a bun. So on chole they have put some aloo also, as well as some green masalas. green chutney, not masala. So first bite, guys. The chana has been cooked really very well, and they have used very mild spices, and this mint chutney is giving quite dominating taste in this. With this, they have given some raw onions, carrot and green chilies. On that also they have put mint chutney. Aloo, for aloo they have used very mild spices, something like chili powder and salt and some fennel seeds. And with bhatura they have used coriander powder, garam masala, slightly ghee is being added, so that ghee is also giving a very good taste. Entire spiciness is going because of the ghee. The dominating taste is mint chutney, and the aloo is being cooked well. Let me try this onions. Amazing taste. There is a very good combination for this chole bhatura, and crispiness feel of this bhatura is also really good. Just look at this fennel seeds, paprika and coriander leaves. Everything is being added well. I wish to try some carrot. The spices are just joined to the vegetables. Slightly tanginess is there, and in carrot I can feel slightly spiciness because they have used chilies also in this. So this is a very good combination in North India. If you're going and buying something like samosas and kachori, then definitely the masala chili will be given in that. Wherever you go, any part of North, if you're visiting and if you're eating that, then definitely the chilies are must and should. I love eating onions with this chole bhatura. As I told you, this is not at all spicy. With this, I love to try this chili. Slightly spiciness, but yes, a good combination. Spiciness has to be there in this chole bhatura, but yes, because of ghee, this is not so spicy. But chilies and onions are the best combination, guys. Without this, there is no enjoyment of this chole bhatura. Here is Balla Aloo Tikki Chaat. In this, the first aloo will be smashed, and then they are gonna be putting in oil, and after that again they will smash, put it in a plate. On top of that, mint chutney will be sprinkled, and even dry fruit chutney. On top you can just see here some cashews has been put, and this is ginger slices, and even some coriander leaves. First bite, expectational bite. Guys, this is really very sweet, and cashew taste are really good, and mint flavor taste is also good. With that coriander leaves and the dry fruit chutney, everything is giving a fantastic taste. And aloo, first they will boil it, then they will smash it, then put it in oil. So slightly crispiness is there. That crispiness taste is really going good with this mint chutney as well as dry fruit chutney. And at last, when you're finishing, that ginger taste is there. Just look at this. The fried raisins has been used in this chaat. So fantastic taste. Guys, this is must and should. The crispiness of this aloo is the next level. Hardly you're gonna be getting 5 to 6 bites in one plate, but good amount of carbs for the summer. and slightly they have sprinkled garam masala as well as salt. But one best part about this Balla Aloo Tikki is kids can also try this chaat. It is not at all spicy. And this is Agra special chaat, not Bangalore special chaat. Guys, usually Pani Puri or Golgappa will be in round, okay? But here Golgappa is in oval shape. Just look at this. And one more best part of this cafe is they are gonna be preparing their own Golgappa Puri, which is in oval shape. And when I asked him what is this new shape, he just told me it is very easy to have this in this way, but if you are trying in this way, definitely you have to have 2 bites. So let me have this. They have used stuffed aloo and chole is not being used.
No, it's not.
Chole is not being used. Onion is being used.
Okay.
Chole is not being used.
Sometimes they use it.
Okay, here it is. He is right. Easy to eat. And puri is crisp. The pani will be completely down and only puri will be had. It's not in that way. The puri quality is really good. And the taste is also good. Hardly I can find 1 or 2 drops falling. Taste fantastic. The puri crispiness is also good. And this is something like 2 shaded. Downside it's dark brown, upside it's slightly cream color. But yes, taste is really good. They have used plain aloo. No spices has been used inside this. With that, they have used finely chopped onions. Here is gulab jamun and I have received 1 matka lassi. The jamun size is quite big and I want to have it in 1 bite. So let me try having this in 1 bite. It's really very hot and fresh. Slightly elaichi taste is coming and kova flavor is very dominating. They have done an oil frying in quite decent manner. So once they have put jamun in this sugar syrup, the jamun is completely soft and the kova is completely gone even more soft. It's tasting very good. Here is matka lassi, finely chopped or breaked almonds have been put in this lassi. It's really very cold. For this summer, this is must and should. I drink lassi at house but not in matka, in steel glass. If I ask for matka now, they'll say get lost. Slightly rose flavor has been added in this lassi and almonds taste is really going good with this rose essence. So best combination. You people have to try this. Lassi is really very thick and with that 1 or 2 drops of rose essence and on top they have put some almonds. The taste entirely it is changed and it is giving a fantastic taste and coldness. You people have to come down and try this, then only you can experience it. Finally finished my food as well as lassi also. The food is fantastic. You people have to come down and try here. I personally recommend you people to try this chole bhatura as well as this aloo tikki chaat and even pani puri. Must and should. Jamun, it was hot, it was good. Lassi was damn good. You people have to try even lassi. For right now they do have a very short menu. In upcoming days they are planning to extend or add some more dishes in their menu. Price and location will be mentioned in the description part. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. Catch up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.